Now let's do textbook exercises. Do it yourself. The first one is color the bird you find in the story. Which bird we saw in the story? The parrot. The parrot. Color this bird. Okay. Tick the right and cross out the wrong statements. Tick mark for right statements and the cross out mark for wrong statements. The first statement is, it is a rainy day. Is it right or wrong statement? Yes, right. Tick mark. And the second one, Puss is not feeling hungry. Is it right or wrong? Wrong, because Puss is very hungry and it tried to eat parrot. Third one, Puss eats the parrot. Is it a right or wrong statement? Wrong.
Wrong.
Because parrot fly away. Puss didn't eat the parrot. Cross for wrong statements. The parrot jumps on Puss. Is it right or wrong? Right. When parrot came near to Puss, it jumped on it and hold it in her paws. Okay? The next one. Arrange the following sentences in the correct order in your notebook. We have to, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences are there. We have to make them order and write in order in your classworks. Okay? First, let's look into the statements. The parrot tells Puss to wash his hands. Second one, Puss is feeling hungry. And the third one is, he sees a parrot. Fourth one is, the parrot flies away. Last one, he holds the parrot in his paws. Now, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for these sentences. You write in order in your classworks. Okay? Okay? Let's see first one. What is first one? Puss is feeling hungry. It is the first one. It is the first statement. It is feeling hungry and it searched for food and it sees a parrot. He sees a parrot. This is the second statement. Second statement. And the third statement, then it asked parrot to sing a song. Parrot started singing. It asked parrot to come near to it. It came near and started singing again. Then he holds the parrot in his paws. This is the third statement. And the next one, it holds the parrot in his paws and tried to eat it. But parrot is clever. Parrot is clever than cat. What it said? Parrot what said? It tells Puss to wash his hands. It tells Puss to wash his hands, and then when cat went to wash his hands, it flies away. Here I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order. You write in your notebooks. And the fourth one is, answer the following questions. What is the first question? Who is hungry? Who is hungry? Puss, the cat, is hungry. Write in your notebooks, not here. I'll tell. Okay, I'll write here. Puss, the cat, is hungry. The second one. Whom does Puss want to eat? Yes, parrot. Puss wants to eat parrot. Puss wants to eat the parrot. And what is the third one? Where is the parrot sitting? Yes, the parrot is sitting on a tree. The parrot is sitting on a tree. The next one. Who is more clever, Puss or the parrot? Definitely the parrot. The parrot is more clever than Puss. The parrot is more clever than the Puss. The what is last question? Who said the following sentences? These are the sentences. Who said the following sentences? Now I am going to eat you. Who said this? Yes, Puss the cat. And you must first wash your hands and face. Who said this? Yes, it's Parrot. And next one. You stand here and see. Who said this? Who said this statement? Puss the cat. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Who said this? The clever parrot. And by saying this, it flies away. Now let's do the English practice book worksheets. Okay, Puss and the Parrot, worksheet 1. In lesson 3, Puss and the Parrot, the clever parrot flies away. Read what happens next and fill in the following blanks using is, am, are. Here the 4 blanks are here and we should fill these blanks with is, am, are. Which is suitable, that should be written here. Before going into this worksheet, let's learn where we should use is, where we should use am, and where we should use are. Yes, usage of am, is, are. Am should be used with I. I am 6 years old. I am a girl. Like that, am is used only with I. And is used with singular nouns and singular pronouns. See here, singular nouns like he, she, it. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a chair. Like this we use is for singular nouns and singular pronouns. Let's see one more example for each. I am a doctor. She is a scientist. He is a mechanic. It is a parrot. If it is a plural, for plural nouns, what we use? Are. You are. We are. You are a nice boy. We are going to school. They are coming for us. Let's see one more example. You are a Superman. We are going to school by bus. They are students. Like this, for plural nouns we use are. Clearly see children, am is used only with I and is used only with singular nouns and are is used with plural nouns. Let's get into the worksheet. See the first one. Where dash you going? What I told, for you are. Where are you going? Where are you going? And the next one is I dash going to bring rats for you. For I, what will come? Am. I am going to bring rats for you. And the next one is Puss. But it's dash raining. There are dash no rats. Come soon. But it here and raining. Singular. That's why it is raining. There, and rats is a plural. That's why there are no rats. Come soon. Parrot. Oh, you followed by are. You are so foolish. I am not coming back. Okay. Let's get into worksheet 2. Use one of these to fill in the blanks. Is, am, are, has, have. Has and have. Is, am, are already we learned. And has and have, I'll tell you. Has and have are used to specify possessiveness. Usage of has, have. Here, has is used for singular. He, she, it. For he has a pen. She has a pencil. It has 4 legs. Let's see one more example. He has a car. She has a doll. It has a red beak. Like this, we use has for singulars, and for plurals we use have, and for I and you also we use have. I have an eraser. We have maths class tomorrow. You have abacus class today. They have PT period now. Let's see one more example. I have a paintbrush. You have a book. We have a football. They have musical instruments. Like this, we use has for singulars and have for plural. And let's get into the worksheet. And let's see the worksheet 2. Use one of these to fill in the blanks. Is, am, are, has, have. Let's see. I dash 6 years old. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. The next one. Ritu is. Ritu is playing basketball. Ritu is a girl and singular. That's why Ritu is playing basketball. And these flowers, it's a plural. These flowers are very pretty. These flowers are very pretty. And next, we is a plural. We use are. We are Indians. We are Indians. These are all general statements. No possessiveness here. A kitten dash the baby of a cat. A kitten is the baby of a cat. Let's see the next one. Next one. The elephant dash a long trunk. Here the possession. The elephant has. The elephant has a long trunk. And the next one. Birds dash wings. This is also having a possession and it is plural. That's why we use have. Birds have wings. And the next one. He dash 2 pencils. This is also possession. He has 2 pencils. This is singular. That's why we use has. Next one. Ducklings dash babies of ducks. Ducklings are. Ducklings is the plural. That's why ducklings are babies of ducks. My mother is my best friend. My mother is my best friend. Let's see the worksheet 3. Join these broken words and write them again. First one is done. Raining. Like this. We should match. And HUNGRY. These two. Hungry. Next one. HAPPY. Happy. Next one. This is raining. Already done here. And parrot. Please. And these two friends. With this, Puss and the Parrot lesson worksheets are completed. Thank you.
Subscribe to GBSC channel. Please like, share and subscribe CBSC channel.